Now, I recently did a video making my own freeze-dried meals to take with me camping. This one happened to be chicken, peas, and rice with a little bit of mushrooms. So I'm going to be able to use this weekend on a camping trip, but I also want to make some beef stroganoff. I've picked up some sour cream powder, and I want to try to see how this sour cream powder works in a meal. So I've been struggling with the noodles of the beef stroganoff, so I got some egg noodles here, and I figured these would be easier. You cook these first, and then once they're done, you just go ahead and throw your freeze-dried stuff in there. But I found another solution to this problem. Ready to eat pasta. Now this stuff is already cooked. It's already ready to eat. It's barilla, and it is a one fully cooked, one serving per container. And so this little dude right here is, let's see, it's 7 ounces of actual pasta, pre-cooked pasta. So my thought is that I could throw my food in and rehydrate it with my freeze-dried food, throw it in, rehydrate it, and then once it's warm, throw this in there to warm it up as well, and it'd be ready to go. So I'll carry 2 separate packages, one with the pasta and then one with my beef stroganoff. So let's get busy. Let's make the beef stroganoff, and I'll show you how I'm going to do that. I got my pre-made vacuum sealed bags here to cut down on some time. And we're going to use shredded beef. I don't have cubed beef, but this is the Thrive Life. Oh, it's actually pretty much cubed. It comes out pretty good like chunks, so that's pretty good. So, and if you can see it from there without it falling all out. So this is going to work out pretty cool. This is the Thrive Life freeze-dried beef, shredded beef, cooked and seasoned. So we're going to put this into here, and we're going to make a beef stroganoff mix out of it. We also got the freeze-dried mushrooms, and then we got the sour cream powder. Now what else you're going to need is a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of garlic powder, and then a little bit of brown gravy. This is the McCormick brown gravy, and the reason I use this is because it doesn't have the MSG and a lot of other stuff that you don't need. So to start with, I'm going to throw about a cup, probably a little more than a cup, probably about 1.5 cups of beef in the bag, because I like a lot of meat with my food. So here you go, we got 1, and then about 1.5 right there, 1.5. All right, so we got that. Now we're going to do about 1/2 cup of mushrooms in each. I love mushrooms. I love food. So we're going to do 1 cup. So we're going to do about 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder in each one. All right, so now that we have that in here, we're going to take our brown gravy and we're going to put 4 tablespoons of gravy inside each bag. It don't have to be exact, a little more, a little less, a lot more love. And we're gonna do maybe 2 tablespoons of sour cream per bag and try that out. Remember, this is an experiment. I've never done this before, so we're just experiment with this. So we're gonna put 3 tablespoons of sour cream in there. 1, 2, and 3. So now that we got that all done, we're going to vacuum seal these bags. Kind of stir them up a little bit. Vacuum seal these bags, and then we're going to head out to the river for an overnight camping trip, and we're going to test them out, see how well they are, especially with this ready to eat pasta. Bear with me, let's vacuum seal these dudes up. So that's what they look like after you have vacuum sealed them and ready to go. Now let's head out to the river and let's see what they taste like. So I just filtered some water from the creek, and we filled up this pot with 32 ounces of some water. And now we got the beef stroganoff that I made right here, and we're gonna heat that water up to a boil. and we're gonna put it in there. And then I got those ready to eat penne pastas right here. And you notice how I have two. I got 2 helpings for me and Dave to have dinner tonight, and we'll let you know how it goes. So let's get that water on the fire. All right, we're gonna put that dude right there over that fire. I got a little grill down there, and I'm gonna leave that bail up. That way I can pick it up from right here. And once that comes to a boil, we're gonna put that other stuff in there, and we're gonna be good to go. All right, we got it to a boil. Now let's get the stuff in it. Put this dude in here. This is that ready cooked pasta, and it is already cooked. It's like done. Good stuff. And one more. Wow. All right. So we'll just let this thicken up, and then we'll be done with it. All right, so that stuff got real thick, and them noodles, they worked out perfect for this. So if you're looking for a way to add noodles without the cook time, then ready cooked noodles is amazing. And I'll put a link in the description. They got pretty thick.
That's fire, brother. Excellent recipe. 10 out of 10 recommend.
Yep. I don't think he said, that's the only thing he said since he started eating. Yeah, that's a good stuff.
Excellent.